Hi, this is Aashima I have attended this workshop in Gurgaon on 18th and 19th of November 2017. The experience that I've had is something that cannot be explained in words. All the answers that I've been seeking since so long seem that have been answered. I guess this is one of the laws of attraction that has happened in my life, wherein I started believing in secret since my college time, but I was waiting for the law of attraction to happen. I feel this is the answer that law has actually given me, and I'm here, and I cannot even explain how blessed do I feel to understand everything that's working around me, and I'm sure with the knowledge I'm going to make it super big.
Thank you. How about you, Anshul?
Hi, I'm Anshul, and today is 19th of November. We have just done with the Laws of Attraction event that Mr. Avinash has taken today. I'm really thankful, first of all, for someone who has referred me to this training, and was Aashima. And she is our business partner, and I'm so very thankful to her. See, the learnings that I've got from this training is somewhere in this world I had forgotten what I was. I had forgotten myself. So on the very first day, through my subconscious, my mind, where I am still young and still a child, and what I wanted at that time, and in the course of life, I've forgotten what I always wanted. So yesterday it gave me a realization of what I wanted and how can I achieve it, that I've got today through the Laws of Attraction training. What I want, how can I achieve it? It was beautifully done by Mr. Avinash. And I promise that I'll be following whatever has been told to me today in the 2 days, and I'll make it a practice, and I'll develop myself into a new me. That's what. Thank you.
Thank you, both of you. Thank you.